Alright mate, got a package for you.
Oh cheers, you can leave it at the door. Thank you. What now? Who is it?
Yeah, I actually need a form of ID and a signature for me to leave this. Could you pop down please, mate?
Fuck's sake, just give me a minute.
Alright, there you go. Thank you. Good.
Thank you.
So you sign on that line for me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one, mate.
Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck.
Hello, who is it?
Me, I want myself out.
What?
Me, I want myself out. Come get me.
Let me finish my game, I'll be right down.
What are you doing out here, man? What the fuck are you doing? I've been out for so long.
Oh shit, bro, I'm just playing Fortnite.
You fucking cunt.
I completely forgot. Come on, let's get back in. You're fucking drunk, Jesus. Right.
Oh, you fucking idiot. Let the fucking door lock.
Shit, okay, there you are. Chaps. What the fuck are you doing?
We're fucking locked
Why
out.
are you drinking?
Sam locked us out.
You knocked yourself out, man.
You fucking idiot.
What are you doing? There's no one in there. Shit. Oh, right.